Hi everyone, this is MA. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2-ingredient peanut butter cups. Heat chocolate chips and peanut butter in hot water or in the microwave at 30-second intervals. And then you're going to place a layer of chocolate in each of your cups. Then you're going to put that in the freezer until they've hardened. It only takes about 8 minutes. Now you're going to add a layer of your softened peanut butter. I use chunky style. And then into the freezer again for approximately 10 minutes. And then add a final layer of chocolate. And into the freezer until hardened. And here they are, all finished. And they peel off easily in these silicone cups. And there you have some finished peanut butter cups. Yum yum, 2-ingredient peanut butter cups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.